I was born in Saipan in the Northern Mariana Islands, and I moved to the United States when I was around 2 years old.
Elijah is he's a bubbly person, and he's always full of joy, very creative, and we saw that even at the early age that he was growing up. We saw him very talented, dancing, singing.
It wasn't until I was in 5th or 6th grade that I joined a little dance ensemble. I would try to pick up everything I could from like YouTube. I try to learn from my friends, or if I knew someone who was in dance. Every time I heard a song I really enjoyed, I'd want to put my own move into it, and I just kind of freestyle around the living room and just find my own groove that way. When I first joined the youth ministry, they were gracious enough to give me an outlet to showcase my ability to dance and to sing.
Well, Elijah's been very active and energetic ever since he joined the youth, and most of the time he's been one of my leaders, and most of the time he choreographs and helps out with dances and even singing, worship band.
I first heard of fine arts when my sister joined her freshman year. I was around 10 or 11, and I was like, this is something I want to do.
Fine arts has been a very good tool for us to reach out to the young people. And then as we go, we discover that they have a lot of talents. We really discovered, hey, that person can rap, that person can sing. So that's where they really develop and enhance the abilities that God has given them at their young age.
We saw Elijah get interested in joining fine arts, and there was a turning point, because then he started taking the lead in doing choreographies for the kids, and he was very inspirational to them. A lot of kids gathered more because of his influence.
Even the young kids now, even my son who's a 5-year-old is so ready now. He's looking up to Elijah when he sees him dance. He's really getting into his moves and grooving for his songs. So I would really say it's a good tool.
Fine arts is one of the best ways to plug in and grow not only as a performer, but also as a believer and follower of Christ. It taught me so many different creative possibilities in preaching the gospel, and I've been able to take that back to my home church and to minister, discover, develop, and deploy these talents to our youth ministry. In 8th grade, I decided to start back up a club at my school and teach hundreds of kids how to dance, and I really felt a calling for dance and to teach and to choreograph. I've been able to take a lot of these kids under my wing and share the gift of dance, grow as people, and build that confidence that they need to go out there.